Wagwan guys, right here in this video I will be showing you how you can get a free $10,000 Profem account. This is a Profem account, not a challenge account and not a competition account, and I will be showing you how you can claim it right now. All you have to do is to watch this video till the very end. Now before we start, there is a video I dropped yesterday, a video on how to get a free 5k dollars account yesterday, and a lot of people were able to claim it. And the day before yesterday also, I dropped a free $10 no deposit bonus, and a lot of people were able to claim it. Let me show you the proof right here on the screen. So this is one of my students who messaged me and told me that I've been able to get this free $10 no deposit bonus, and there are a lot of people who has also benefited from my Telegram channel. So if you are interested in getting funded every day, use the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel so that you can enjoy the benefits that are in there. So for those of you who are not yet familiarized with my Telegram channel, let me show you what exactly my Telegram looks like. So right here on the screen is our Telegram channel. This is where we drop free no deposit bonus account, free funded account, as you can see right here on the screen, and there are withdrawals proof right here on the screen. This is it, a lot of withdrawals proof that you cannot even see finish. As you can see, this is it. I already withdraw my it is legit. This is a no deposit bonus. So this is a withdrawal proof for a no deposit bonus I dropped the day before yesterday. As you can see, this is another no deposit bonus that a lot of people are able to claim. It is right here on the screen. So now, in order for you to claim this free 10k Profem account this morning, the first step you have to take is to use the link in the description of this video, and the link will also be pinned in my comment section. Click on the link and you'll be taken to my Telegram channel directly. This is my Telegram channel. Now how to go about it, as you can see, click here. This is a click here. So this is where you are going to be getting the link of the broker, and this is where you will be watching the video, right? So that you won't be confused. So this is it. These are the things you have to know about it. So now that you've clicked on the link in my Telegram channel, you'll be taken to the interface whereby you'll be getting the free $10,000 Profem account from. So let me show you the interface, and we'll start talking about how you can start claiming the account, how to withdraw, and the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to withdraw the profit. And also, before we start, if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, take your time right now and subscribe to my YouTube channel as a sign of appreciation. And also make sure you share this video to 1 or 2 people so that they also can benefit and they can see you as their benefactor. All right, so once you've clicked on the link in my Telegram channel, this is where you'll be taken to. Once you've gotten to this interface, as you can see, there are a lot of challenge accounts. This is it right here on the screen, and you don't have to worry about how you are going to go through all of this difficulty, because this is why the video is made. So in order for you to get your free 10k Profem account, just click on this 3 line above here and click on login. This is your first time of coming to an interface like this, so you probably don't have an account yet. So the first thing you have to do is to sign up for free. Click on sign up for free, and you'll be taken to an interface like this whereby you have to enter your details. Enter your details, which include your email address, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and your address line 1. And address line 2 is optional. You don't have to put it, and you might also put it if you want to. Select your city, your postal code. If you are from United States, enter that you are from United States. Select your country, enter your phone number, and click on create account. So now let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly. But note this, while entering your details, make sure that the details you are entering is very correct. All right, because if they are not correct, it will affect you when you're about to withdraw your profit from this 10k Profem account. So now let's go. So as you can see right here on our screen, account created successfully. So in order for you to log in, all you have to do is to click on go to login. Now a code has been sent to your email. What you want to do is to try to figure out what the code is, but before that, let's click on login. So click on go to login. So once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to an interface like this. The next thing you have to do is to enter your registered email address and your registered password. Let me just enter mine and I will get back to you shortly. Now before I forget, there is no registered password because they didn't tell us to enter our register password while registering. So what you are going to do now is for you to go to your email account. All right, go to your email account and check what exactly is in there. So after getting to our email account, as you can see, your TX3 user profile has been created. So the next thing for us to do is to click on dashboard. So try to click on dashboard. Click on dashboard. All right. So once you've clicked on dashboard, you'll be taken to somewhere like this, but this is not where we are supposed to go. So let's go back to our website. So come back to this place. Since we don't have a password and they refuse to give us one, just enter your email and click on reset password. So click on send link. All right. So once you've clicked on it, the next thing for you to do is for you to go to your email address. Go to your email address. All right. Let's go to our email now that we've reset our password. So as you can see, password reset. So this is it. Once you've gotten to this interface, as you can see, we've received a request to reset your password. Click on the link below to set a new one valid for 30 minutes. So the next thing for you to do is for you to click on reset password. So click on reset password. All right. So once you've gotten to an interface like this, the next thing you have to do is to enter your new password and confirm your new password. And after that, click on update password. All right. So let me just do mine quickly. As you can see right here on the screen, the password has been updated successfully. So the next thing you have to do is to go back and log in using the password you just entered. All right. So enter your email address, and after that, enter the password that you now have. Okay. So once you are done, just enter sign in. Let me just do mine, and I'll get back to you shortly. So we are going to where it's going to be twisted. All right. So you have to pay attention and watch this video carefully. Don't fast forward this part because this part is very crucial. So as you can see right here on our screen, now we are successfully logged in. And there is no active account, there is no payout yet, there is no active challenge, there is no active funded account, there is no active funded profit. So this is everything. So now, in order for you to get this free 10k profit account, the next thing you have to do is to click on this three line by the left side. Click on this three line, and once you've clicked on it, click on reward. Click on rewards. So once you've clicked on rewards, this is where you have to pay full attention, and this is where you'll be getting your $10k profit account. All right, so pay attention and wait for this thing to load. So what this is all about is that you'll be completing a task, just like the profit account I dropped yesterday that a lot of people were able to get. You'll be completing a task, and with the task, after completing the task, you'll be getting a reward, and the reward you'll be getting is what you are going to be using to purchase your free $10k account for free, absolutely for free. Now let me tell you another surprising thing. Another surprising thing is that the funded account that are here is not only $10k profit account. There are a lot of packages right here. All right, so click on get started. There are a lot of packages right here, and the amount you'll be able to get for free depends on the kind of tax and the kind of points you are able to get. All right, so if you want to get high account, you have to complete a very big tax, but the tasks are very simple to perform actually. So let's get right there. All right, let's get right there. So let's just hold on a bit. So these are the tasks. If you scroll down, these are the tasks. So for example, task number 1 is for you to follow TX3 on X. So after you follow them, you'll be able to claim a free 30 points. All right, you'll be able to claim a free 30 points. So you will get 30 points. Okay, you will get 30 points. Now, how are you going to know the points needed in order for you to be able to get your account? All right, I will show you that. Just hold on and let me show you how to perform the task. So now this account is going to be available until January 1, 2027. So once you are done completing the task, you earn 30 points. As you can see, let me show you. This is it right here, 30 points. And don't forget, it's the kind of amount the kind of account you are going to be getting depends on the kind of task you perform. So the next one is for you to follow them on Telegram, on Instagram. I haven't done that yet, but I will do it and I will show you. Okay, so this is it. Follow them on Telegram, and once you are done, you will also get another 30 points. Follow them on Discord, you get another 40 points. All right, if you now follow them on Discord again, you get another 40 points. So this is it. You can just click on next to know the next thing. You follow them on YouTube and all of that. So These are the things you will be doing, and once it is completed, you will see it for yourself. Now the reward you'll be getting is right here. So just click on reward. So once you've clicked on reward, after performing the right tasks you have to perform, as you can see, this is a free market memo account, but this is not what we are here for. So just scroll down and click on next. As you can see, this is a free one phase 5k dollars account. So if you scroll down very well, as you can see, you will see under the reward, you will see a free two-phase pro 10k account. Everything here are totally free. As you can see, this is it right here. Now, as you can see, not enough points, but after you've gone through the things I told you in the first step, you would have gotten enough points for you to be able to claim this free 10k profit account. All right, this is it. The point required is 950. All right, 950. And once you've gotten the 950 point, you'll be able to get this free two-step pro 10k profit account. And as you can see, this is free one phase account. You can get it for 1000 points. And if you scroll down, you will see this is the one we are going to claim, free instant standard 10k account. So this is the one we are going to claim. All you have to do in order for you to redeem this account is to earn 1300 points. And as you can see, I've shown you how to earn the point, and once you are done, instead of them showing not enough points, it will bring out redeem point, and you'll be able to claim it. And click on next to see some offers that are free that you can also get. These are some offers that you can also get. And lastly, you can get a free instant 50k dollars account. This is it. You can get it. All you need is 3200 points to redeem the account, and that's a long way to go. So it will be better for you to get the previous one I showed you, which is the 10k instant funded account. So let me show you one more time before we go. So this is it. All right, so once you are able to claim it, your login details and the other things that you need and the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to withdraw your profit will be sent to your email. And after you've already gotten it, you can drop a comment. If there is any issue you are facing, drop a comment for me in the comment section. Do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends so that they can see you as benefactor, so that they can start making money in 2026. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel also. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned because another profile account or no deposit bonus will be dropped soon. I love you guys. Enjoy your trade.